Do you know how to fix a cracked phone screen? You may be wondering if you could do it yourself or leave it to a professional. Here are a handful of DIY cracked screen repairs that we do not recommend. Using clear nail polish or toothpaste, covering the screen in clear packing tape, or removing the cracked screen with heat. You could also try using a repair kit you bought online. But unless you have solid electronics repair experience with the proper tools and workspace, you'll likely just void your warranty with a repair that doesn't last and decrease any resale or trade-in value. You could also risk your device's water resistance, leading to further damage. If you decide DIY isn't for you, the best way to fix a cracked phone screen is to have it done by a repair professional. You can trust the experts at our Asurion Tech Repair and Solution stores with a fast, affordable cracked screen repair. And one that doesn't look like you tried doing it yourself. To prevent damage in the first place, get a protective phone case, use a screen protector, and lastly, protect your device with phone insurance. So when a fall, a throw, or just cosmic misfortune happens, a cracked screen will be less likely to ruin your plans. Learn more at Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.